Hello, I'm Jason at Blackman Cycle, Digital Lead Coordinator. This is the brand new 2022 Can-Am Ryker Rally. A lot of cool features on this particular unit that they upgraded. Starting with the rally mode on this unit, brand new wheel package on this 2022 Can-Am Ryker Rally. It has improved ground clearance, front end suspension, KYB suspension on here with the front push bar. Welded Aeon protectors on here, as well as air intake dust protectors and hand grips included. Large foot pegs with anti-slip protection on there. And in the rear of the unit, it comes with the max mount, as well as adjustment for the rear suspension. And you also have a upgrade on the comfort seat.
Tell them your favorite feature, Jason.
Favorite feature on this unit is cruise control. Favorite feature also is locking glove box.
How does the glove box work if it locks?
Glove box is basically when you turn on the unit, you're allowed to then unlock the glove box. If you do not have the key on there, glove box is locked. Unit's on, now you can unlock your glove box.
In a very large toolkit.